This article discusses the common tendency to retain older USB drives despite acquiring newer, faster, and higher capacity models. It highlights that these seemingly obsolete devices can still serve various practical purposes beyond simple file storage. The author presents several alternative uses for USB drives, including installing portable applications, creating a secure password database, serving as a Windows boot key, generating a Windows recovery drive, functioning as a bootable antivirus rescue unit, and augmenting PC RAM using Windows ReadyBoost. Additionally, the article mentions the possibility of carrying a bootable operating system on a USB drive for troubleshooting or accessing a personal computing environment on any compatible machine. The central theme emphasizes repurposing older USB drives to extend their utility and provide convenient solutions for various computing needs.